So this was something that was very frustrating to me that I think might be helpful to anyone out there that wants to change the name of the primary column in a board. So when I first started with Monday, I would create the default and I'd always end up with items. Well, that's okay, but if you are creating a board for, say, locations, property addresses, you probably want something more descriptive. So the quick and easy way to fix that is to head over here to these three dots, open it up, go to board settings, change item terminology, and you can change it to any of the pre-selected values, or you can change it to a custom value here, such as properties. In the board, and then your list has changed. So, very quick, easy thing to do if you need to rename your Monday.com main column to something more appropriate for your project.